Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm introducing you my new NSM workflow, which is a signal capture system. So the goal of this workflow is really simple. Let's say you have a live product, so you are a PM, you have a live product, but you cannot monitor what everyone is thinking about your product. So for example, if an engineering is raising a bug, if you don't receive a Jira ticket, you will not know that there is a bug. Or if the customer team um, give some feedback or some complaints about it, you will not know. But with this, it will be easier because it will scan your Slack channel. So, for example, the engineering channel, the customer service channel, and as soon as your product is mentioned, you will receive an alert. So let's dig into the workflow. So first of all, we will have our trigger. So the trigger is to run every 5 minutes. So you will get all of the, let's say, all of the alert in due time. Then once it's scanned, it will fetch all of the Slack messages into the different channels. And first, the message will be filtered, so all of the bot messages that you have on Slack will not be taken into account. Then a build classification will be built, and it will be analyzed by AI. So AI will classify it. So for example, which is the issue, what type of emergency is it, if it's urgent or not, what is the nature of the issue, who is complaining about this, does it impact customer, if yes, which customer, etc. Then it will create an entry in Notion for the documentation, and it will create a reaction with the eyes, with the eyes on your Slack. So it's the eye emoji, and the goal of this emoji is to show that the message which was on Slack was taking in account and the feedback is well received. Then there will be an urgency check. So as I said, depending on the emergency, it will be classified by AI. And if it's urgent, you will receive an alert that will be built with a sum up, so you can have a look at it as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will not receive an alert, so you will have to check directly into the Notion. So that's it for me, guys. So this is a kind of simple workflow, but which can be really useful. So I hope it was useful to you. If you have a question, don't hesitate to put it in the comment. If you like this video, don't hesitate to put a like. If you are not subscribing, don't hesitate to subscribe. I wish you a great day. Bye bye.